Today we'll be changing oil on a Ninja Kawasaki 250 2011. So what you need is an oil filter, some oil, 17mm socket, ratchet, and an oil pan to drain your oil. So oil filter is, I'm gonna use K&N, and that's the number for it, KN 401. And if you look inside, looks like this. Comes with some gaskets, need to be replaced as well. I'm using 1040. You can either use Mobil or Castro, whatever you got. I'm using the one for motorcycle, 1040 full synthetic racing 4T. So on my bike I took the fairings off and everything else because I'm working on something else also, but you don't really have to take anything off. All you have to do is just go under and loosen it. So the bolts you need to loosen are this one for the air filter, for the oil filter, and this one for the oil to drain. Not this one, but this one right here has a washer with it as well. Once you get the filter out, you want to put the bolt in. Wipe it. Get it snugged. Look at your manual, how much torque is supposed to be. I just hand tight mine. Some people replace the washers. I'm not gonna replace it this time, but you can. They're pretty cheap. So what you want to do is, if you want to replace the big one and the small O-ring, I'll show you in a minute. Or you can just leave them if they're good, but they come in, might as well replace them. So what you want to do is push this, it comes out. So I don't have a special tool. You can get is just try not to scratch anything. Grab this screwdriver, hold it in, and just push it around. There you go, it comes out. Toss the old one, put the new one in. And it just goes right in place. Once you're done, wipe this one. Took the old one, the big one, spray it lightly. The new one in, press it in all around it, make sure it's all flat. So nothing pops out, so that's good. Then what you do is put the spring in, washer, oil filter, inside, and put that one in, and then we're ready to install. Get the pin out of the way, wipe it. Hand tight. You want to put oil right here. What you want to do is open it. Unless you already had it open. Just set it somewhere so you don't lose it. So what you want to do is put the oil in. It says 1.8 quarts, which is I think 1.7 liters. But you want to put is 1.5. And just check it. To check it is right here. You have to level the bike. And then see where the line, it has to be between two lines here. So let's pour in it. It's good to use a funnel, but anyways, so you just put it in. Put another 0.5. That's about 0.5 or 0.6. So what you want to do now, this glass, there's two lines right in here, 1, 2. You don't want to go above that and below this. So what you want to do is get the bike straight and leveled approximately, and to see where your oil is. It looks like still a little bit, it's within the line but a little bit low. I'll put some more in. Should be good. The bike's pretty leveled and the level looks pretty good. Once you start the bike, run it a little bit, you can double check again. If you need to add some more, but make sure don't overfill the line.